Hey guys, it is Tehya, Shalom and Jewel, and these are our ingredients. And we are making slime inspired by these that we found at the 99-cent store.
We're going to be using glitter, food dye, a little unicorn, glue, and activator.
And I'm doing 2 slimes, that's why I have 2 bowls. I'm doing 2 slimes, and then I'm mixing them together.
And she's making like a galaxy slime.
And then
she's gonna use a lot of glitter.
And then for sticks, for stirring, we're gonna use these chopsticks. We have little puppies. Some of them.
And then this one has a tiger.
Yep.
So let's start. I'll put the glue in so that we can all have the same amount.
Let's do that.
Yeah.
That looks so creepy and bad and bad and bad.
Okay.
It's making a weird farting sound.
I know.
Who's getting to yours? Yeah, that's it. Yeah, there's probably not really enough.
There's only supposed to be 2. That's
glue.
There's some more in this one.
It sounds like a farting sounds, kinda. It's a little.
Oh no, you did not unscrew the cap. Do you even have any more glue?
Yeah, it's just at the very...
Oh gosh.
Okay, you can start.
So, I'm gonna... So, we're gonna put some...
blue dye.
Jewel's gonna use this blue dye.
No, you can use it first. Mine is not yet.
Oh, and I'm gonna use
tiny.
this purple.
I'm
gonna use this pink.
And I'm gonna use... the little unicorn fell. Oh gosh.
Oh, no.
Okay, I got my little unicorn.
Oh, this is cool.
And then I'm pretty much using a lot of glitter. So, yeah. I'm gonna start with my...
Here's one drop.
Okay.
I'm gonna start with my food coloring.
So now...
Okay.
Okay. Then let's mix it at the same time.
Hold on.
So this is
So
what
she
mine
just
looks
put...
like.
She
One
put
drop?
1 drop of purple
gosh,
food
this
coloring.
doesn't
This is
want
what mine
to.
looks like, guys.
Screw back on.
Oh, it's supposed to just click.
Okay. Anyways, let's just do it.
Oh, it's making such a cool color.
I wanna like.
Look at this.
I wanna copy Tehya. I wanna
It's
make
really
like
cool.
kind of a galaxy slime.
No. You can't because that
Yeah,
Tehya's
but
already
blue.
making it.
Blue.
Like blue.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's such a nice color.
Yeah. You guys
I
wanna
can't
see?
wait
Can you
for
give me
mine.
the water?
Can I put water in?
We're gonna need to
We need to put some water in it.
So, yeah.
We're gonna put some water in it. You want?
Can you rinse off my thing?
Hold on.
I need
It's
to
okay.
rinse this off.
And then mix this
Can I have some
glue
water?
first with water. Mix the glue with the water.
Okay.
It will make it not so sticky.
Okay, so right now I have a very nice color. Some of it is on the side. That's okay, I'll just get it. So, we're making little totes like these. Little totes of slime. This is literally liquid. My slime is liquid.
No, it's okay. We'll still
The activator
it will still
work.
activate.
So I got some activator right here. So
Okay,
actually,
I'm
not
gonna
gonna
need
do the
Here's my
activator
pink. It
yet.
looks like red, but it's pink.
I'm gonna use some glitters.
I need some water.
Yeah, I'm gonna need to rinse off my thing.
Okay.
Do we have a paper towel? We should have brought a paper towel on set. Oh gosh.
It's okay. I'll get one right now.
Okay. So while Jewel is getting paper towel. Ooh, that looks nice. We are gonna
Put some glitter.
Here you go.
Okay.
Want some glitter first? Here, you can use.
I'm gonna use the gold right now.
Here,
So here
are you gonna
is
put
the
your
gold
glitter in
glitter.
first?
So now I'm gonna put some of this blue glitter.
Into the purple one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Just a little.
I'm gonna put the purple one in my slime.
Oh my gosh, it looks
Whoa,
so
guys,
glittery.
It looks so good.
Yeah, me too.
Look at this, guys.
Did you put water, Joel?
Look at this. Look,
Guys.
look.
Oh
Oh
my!
my gosh.
Look
Oh
at-
gosh.
It's so
I
pretty.
can't wait until this galaxy slime because oh my gosh, look. The paper towel is even
I think-
glamified.
I
Oh
think,
gosh.
I think I'm gonna put
The
some.
paper towel is
Can I have some
glamified.
pink?
No, no, blue and pink don't mix.
Oh, okay.
Um,
Okay, now I got some of these. They could
so
be like
I got
stars.
some gold.
Oh my gosh,
I got
guys.
some gold.
This is our
Some
activator.
gold.
Our activator is glittery.
Yeah. We wanted to make the activator look like it really pops.
What are you doing now?
Oh.
Huh?
I'm making a YouTube video.
I don't want to see mess, huh?
I'm not gonna have a mess.
So guys, I'm gonna put some. Never mind, guys. Never mind.
Oh,
gonna
this
put
is
some
already
pre-made-
sticking.
I was
This
gonna
is already
put
sticking.
some pre-made slime in, but
This
never
is
mind.
already sticking. Oh gosh. It's more watery.
Oh my gosh.
So, yeah.
Tita! Tita!
Ah,
Wait,
Ako
ah,
na nga yung Clorox sets.
ah.
dito may Clorox?
Yeah, yung malaki dyan.
It's gonna be really sticky.
Ah, may
it's
puti
sticking to
dyan
my
sa ano?
chopstick.
Just for now.
Guys.
Hindi, ano yan?
Oh,
Beat it like it's
oh
an
my
egg.
gosh.
Wala ba dyan?
Oh my gosh. It actually is starting to come together. The
I'm
slime
gonna
is starting
get
to
like
come
some
together.
activator and guys, look, they're so glittery and they have some.
There we go.
Wait.
They look like stars, but they're not. They're just little beads. They're so cute.
Wait, where's the light blue?
Sige na,
Oh, here it is.
sige na.
It's
Wait,
so
I'm making
cool.
something.
She said you're
cold.
willing to help you, pero you're not. Dali na,
Whoa.
sige na, dali na.
Oh,
Kasi I'm doing something, dali.
that looks
Dali
disgusting.
na lang.
Ah,
Whose?
yours.
Yeah, it kind of looks like blood.
Where's your daddy?
He's upstairs.
Huh? Where's your daddy?
Tita!
No, Tehya's.
Oh, he's upstairs.
Joel, don't hog the activator.
Okay. Here.
Mine is really sticking. I think I might need some more water.
No, that's how it's supposed to be, so that it don't
Guys,
stick
look.
to you.
Look. Oh my gosh. You wanna see my Tehya? Look.
Ooh. Oh no, it's sticking to my chopstick.
Guys, it's getting
gosh.
activated.
Oh gosh. Oh jeez. Oh gosh.
Woo! Oh, I think it's.
Jeez.
I think I can do it with my
Can I have
hands now.
some activator, please?
No. Get it. And
put a lot.
Ooh, that's a lot of glitter. Guys, look at how well my slime is turning out. So now I'm gonna mix the blue one. I'm gonna mix the blue one.
And I'm
Does
gonna
not
put
have
some
any-
gold in mine.
Does not have any activator yet, but it's going to.
I'm gonna put this
Is there
white
any
glitter.
water inside mine?
Oh no.
Oh, I need water. Ooh, look at this. It looks so cool.
Can I have some water too? Actually, I'm gonna put it.
Ooh.
Can I have some water?
Yeah.
No, you already put some.
That's so cool.
Do you want some white in yours?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that's a lot
Can I
of
have some?
white.
Can I have some?
That's a lot of white. Oh jeez. That's a lot of white. Can I have some activator inside my blue one?
Oh, you need to put your glitter first.
So I'm gonna mix all my. Oh, this actually looks like slime. Oh my gosh.
Whoa!
Okay, I'm gonna start mixing mine by hand now.
Okay, so mine's gonna turn so well. I can already see it. I mean, like, look. That does not look like galaxy to you. Well, it's missing some blue. But we're gonna add some blue.
Guys, it feels like Jello.
Whoa.
Oh gosh, it's sticking. It's sticking.
You need some more activator?
Yeah. There we go.
I think mine melted.
It melted?
Yeah.
So did mine.
No,
Oh
no.
my gosh, it feels so weird.
No, it didn't melt it. You just need to mix it with your hand. Okay, put the glitter into
Can
that
I
one.
have some?
Do you want me to knead this?
I can eat that.
Guys, can I have some activator?
You said yours melted.
Can I have some glitter? Like some white glitter?
Ooh, guys, it's coming together. Wait, can I have some glitter too?
Why am I saying mmm?
I put a lot.
Guys,
Oh.
But that looks
mine,
good.
look at mine, Tehya.
That looks gold. Gold.
Tehya, look at mine.
Ooh.
Yeah, but it's so white. It's so.
Oh my gosh. That looks so cool. This one looks so cool.
Guys, mine is.
Yours is wet.
Maybe I need some glitter. Can you
I'm
put some
gonna
glitter?
do some
Can you put some green glitter in mine?
some green.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Green glitter.
Whoa, mine's good. Mine's done.
So, comment down below who won this challenge.
Of course, not me.
Yours actually looks pretty good.
It's really watery. Here, let me wash my hands, guys.
Okay. So, we got some purple glitter. I did not add any purple in, not even to my purple thing. So.
Slime.
Oh gosh. Not even to my purple slime. Purple inside my purple slime? What?
I think you added too much glitter. That's why this one's not
Okay, guys.
activating.
So mine is. Look at mine, guys. It's seriously like bleh.
Okay.
It like doesn't want to activate.
Okay.
I'm gonna put some pre-made slime
So
in
can
so it can activate.
you I got all my glitter in.
Yeah, okay.
This is the pre-made
And then I'm
slime.
gonna put this little cutie in there soon.
Here. Give it.
Put the cap on properly.
Yeah, the little cutie.
It.
This is the
It
pre-made
balanced.
slime, guys.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna put it in my slime so it can activate. Cause mine is like.
Ooh, can I
bleh.
do that?
No, not with my slime.
Was that your slime?
Yeah, it was my slime.
Can I do that?
Mix yours first, because I put activator in there.
Okay. Oh, this is really sticky. Oh.
I got a yellow one for you, Tehya.
Okay.
No, yellow and blue makes
Green.
Oh.
green.
No, never mind. Don't want yellow and blue. Yeesh. Yellow and blue make green. Don't really want.
Okay, I got you a purple.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, your purple one is falling apart.
My purple one?
Guys, ready? Here. She's gonna put it in.
Okay, I'm gonna split it.
No, you don't know the password to that.
Bloop. Okay. So, oh gosh. Oh, I'm kneading it with my hands.
Oh!
It's literally not coming together. Oh no. Oh no. Oh gosh.
Did you put activator in it?
Yeah, it's a lot.
Oh my gosh.
Mine's done.
That one's done.
No, this one's yours.
Oh, guys. This looks so cool. But so ew at the same time.
Guys,
Look at this. Guys, look at this. Ah!
it's seriously like
So
blue.
sticky.
Why did I do this?
I don't know why I did this either.
Here, I can knead it for you.
Let's mix it
it's,
now.
It's good. It's just
Let's mix it now.
It's good. It's just you're not kneading it enough.
Oh, guys. I got a lot.
Guys,
I'm going to wash my hands.
it is. Oh no. Blech, 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 blech. Oh my God, Ew.
This looks crazy. Ew. Yours looks crazy, Galaxy.
Oh my gosh. Is it time to add the unicorn?
It's. Hold on. We need to mix. We need to mix it more.
I'm gonna put it inside some of my leftover slime.
Ew.
Oh my gosh, look
Oh my
at its back. Look at its back. It's glittery. Because I put it in here. You see? Very. Ew.
I think I'm subscribed to you on YouTube.
Really?
Yeah. Did you see Jewel's video?
You have to see my videos. Anyway, guys, it's disgusting. I mean,
You already have some falling out.
yeah.
Ah!
Okay, let me add some
Oh my God.
activator.
And look at my napkin. It looks worse. Remember
Look
what
at
it looked like
Yeah,
before?
yours is like sticky, but it's so pretty.
Wait, it's sticky? No, I did not want it to be sticky.
It's like watery.
Guys, mine is.
Yours is
I think I'm gonna have to throw this away.
No, don't throw it away.
Look at it.
Mine first was like wet, and then it turned into this.
It's so pretty.
I wish it was like more clearer.
Yeah, mine's clear.
I want mine to be clear like yours. Because then you could see the unicorn. Oh gosh, oh gosh.
No, Kian, we bought that one.
So cool.
Close it. Close it now.
So yeah. Comment down below whose slime turned out the best. Jewel?
Jewel, show yours.
Okay, hold on.
This is mine, inspired by this one. This is Tehya's, inspired by this
And
one.
it has a little unicorn on top.
And then Jewel's,
Because the cap has a unicorn.
inspired by this one.
Yeah.
Okay, close it up.
Okay, so sadly we gotta go. But we'll see you next time. Goodbye.
You want to shout out Jewel's channel?
Oh yeah. So don't forget you need to see Jewel's channel.
What's your channel called, Jewel?
Jules Craft.
Woo! You gotta check out Jewel's Craft.
Okay, anyways, bye-bye.
Bye.